Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 22nd of January. And if you guys are not in the Discord, please join us in the Discord because this is where the announcements are made in a form of a text. Now, I'm not feeling very well still. My fever is kind of cool right now. But I'm just gonna make a very quick update. You can even hear from the voice that I have right now. Everything is not really good. So use a headphone if you're not able to listen to me. Now, yesterday I talked about the bear flag and the fact that you're going to drop all the way down to $33,000, $34,000 and right on the money. Yes, yesterday I made the video on time. Yeah, and we got this thing right on the money. Now, basically, is the drop still over? I don't think so. I don't think the drop is gonna be over. And the only thing that I want to make you aware is, do you remember the time that I talked about this weekly bear flag? I actually pointed out the weekly bear flag for a very long time. I wasn't expecting it's gonna play out because I didn't have the reason at that time to flip bearish. And but now, as chart changes, you have to change as well. Okay, and I wasn't expecting us to lose near $37,000. So if now that we've lost the $37,000, I don't think the drop is gonna stop. Okay, the drop can be way more worse. Still, I do believe that we can go all the way down to $29,000. Okay, so be careful at this point of time. This pullback doesn't have any volume. Okay, the pullback, you see, doesn't have a volume at this very moment. So yeah, diving into the weekly time frame here, right? Wow, what a nasty red candle. Yeah, so this is the technical target, I suppose, and propose. Okay, this was your bear flag on the weekly, and this is on a higher time frame. It will take some few days actually to play out. So this is gonna go from the top here to the bottom, and I do see Bitcoin going all the way down near $29,000. Okay, and we're gonna even talk about $24,000 as well. I want to talk about the monthly EMA. So here we are with the monthly EMA, and I'm going to show you the 55 EMA right now. Actually, I'm going to bring the 20 and the 55 as well, for a full detail, for full-blown detail. Actually, this is going to be available on the BLX. All right, so the BLX is here, and here we are. We've already lost the 1.414. Do you see that? 1.414 has been lost. Okay, simple as that. We are going to go to the 1.272. okay, it's not going to stop here, and we've lost the 20 EMA. okay, so that's signaling the bear market as well. Okay, so the bear market is upon us, and you have a big whooping double top right here. And what's the technical target of this double top? I'm going to tell you. Okay, so right now what I want to say is that you lost the red line. I'm looking it to go far more down to the blue line, which is going to be the 55 EMA. All right, so since we have this double top, this is going to be your neckline, of course. So going down to $29,000 is going to make you lose the neckline. Okay, do you understand that? It's going to make you lose the neckline, and the technical target of a double top from there to there, 42%. So you're going to have further 43% dump from here to here. Yes, 43%. You could go all the way down to $21,000. okay, so be careful. Just gonna give you the heads up, as I've always given you. I didn't want to put you into the blues, and yeah, I've always been trading. I was bullish at some point because there was no reason to be bearish. Now I have all the reasons to be bearish. Now, one more thing is that if you make the fact that this is an ascending triangle that you've lost, yes, you're gonna go down to where you formed that ascending triangle, and that's near that blue line. So we are far from over from the dumps. Okay, and yes, I'm gonna have to flip bearish here, and I don't think trading is recommended for the next few months as well. That's it for today's update, guys. Thank you for the people who have been saying for me to be okay. Guys, really means a lot. But I just wanted to give this quick update, and hopefully when I'm gonna be better, I'm gonna resume with the VeChain updates as well, and the other coins along the way. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.